The last area of the brain to develop, not until like our mid-20s, it reaches its full capability, is the prefrontal cortex, which is kind of the brain's brakes. It tells us don't follow every single impulse that you have. Think it over, weigh the pros and cons. So from 10 until 25, kids are in this vulnerability period of I want as much social feedback as possible, and I don't have the ability to stop myself. We have to think about the nature of these AI chatbots. They are sycophantic. They constantly tell kids that whatever they're thinking, saying, doing is correct. They're supporting them, and that is creating for kids that likely dopamine response. So it leads us to suddenly, without even realizing it, just have a drive to want to engage for longer and longer.
You talked about the kind of agreeable or sycophantic nature of AI. What's the problem with that?
The reason why AI is so important, the sycophantic nature is so concerning, is because it's depriving kids of the learning experiences they need to have when they're 13, 14, 15, and so on.
Which is?
Which is a little bit of disagreement, a little bit of friction, a little bit of being challenged. This is the way that we learn how to be effective humans socially. It's really important that we learn conflict resolution, that we get challenged, that we learn to maybe think differently. Think about therapy, for instance. That's what happens when you're with a psychologist. They help guide and shape and challenge you to think a little bit differently.